I'm gonna show you my Ikea catalog collection. Also, I have more at my dad's house. Right there. 2004. But this was made in 03. Or wasn't this? I think it was. 2002. This is when Steve Austin. This was made in 2001. They always make stuff a year before. This was made about in when Steve Austin was facing The Rock in WrestleMania. Look at all that. This document was printed in this year. And yeah. And also and yeah, I don't, yeah, my spoofs are YouTube Gold. Yeah, they are. They have good videos, good stuff, good everything, good acting, good stuff. Alright, I'm watching how to use a guy in 10 days. Oh, no. So, yeah. Crystal rocks. Yeah, look. Yeah, that looks. And yeah, I have to find the other ones. I think they're at Dad's house. I think they're at Dad's house, okay? Well, that looks new, man. This is all new stuff. I haven't seen anything like it. Yeah. I think that... Oh, and I think, I still think Big Al is just, jealous. Jealous of how good I am. Because he's been on YouTube only a month. And I've been on YouTube 20 months or something, which I have more dedication and I understand YouTube more. Just have to get that off my chest. And yeah, boy, I think I have more. I think I can bring them over. Bring them over. This stuff is incredibly cheap. Yeah, I have one. Yeah, and I used to collect this all. And I loved it in '04 and 2003. Just have to get that off my chest and yeah, I used to be badass in '03 and 2004. And my dad's house is gonna get a heck of a lot better because what I'm doing now, here's an example. I go there and I stay there for about 2 to 5 days. If my dad goes on a trip, get home, turn all the lights on in my room, and then take a nap, eat dinner, watch more TV, watch ECW on Tuesday night, and then fall asleep. Here, it's making videos, being Raymond 14-ish, and that. Because my dad's house sucks more than it did 2 to 3 years ago. And I'm gonna tell people why I'm better than that. And I'm gonna just say to my dad, how about we change schedules and change everything? Because that's what I wanna do. And I'm gonna keep making more spoofs because they seem to get more views than popcorn pops in a microwave or a stove or whatever method you choose. And yeah, I got wrestling collection, I got license plate, I got Ikea collections and everything. And it's my birthday month. Yeah. What time is it? Oh, way back time. And also, I want to know. I'm just gonna say to them that the way my videos are a heck of a lot better, if not more better than I am better, or if not better than Christina Bina. Because she says, trust me, I backstab my real friends, and they still, I say, to them, you know what, I think you make a good point, but what's that point have to do with me? They don't ramble on and say, you're a betrayer, I hate you. They're being, your people are being ridiculous. That's what you people are being. Yep, you people are being ridiculous. And you need to stop. Oh, I know I'm not dumb or retarded or gay. This is Raymond 14. Signing off.